The best part about Save Club is saving money is just, it's always in season, in fashion. I don't care if it's the 80s with wild haircuts, crazy clothes, the 90s, or if it's spring, summer, winter, or fall. Right now I'm going into summer here. It's June 3rd, so we're 3 days into kicking off officially Save Club. It's already 85 to 90 some odd degrees outside. And you know what? Save Club's kicking butt because, yes, we have deals on everything related to outside, including, well, Home Depot, Walmart. You can go there and buy like patio furniture or maybe materials to add a deck. All right, do you want to buy a hot tub and you need some wood and some nails? Well, I think if you live in America, you guys have heard of Home Depot. They got everything there. And Walmart, oh my gosh, there's about 50 billion things available. And if it's wintertime, you might need some coats, maybe some mittens. There's Walmart again. You could go there. They got everything for sale according to spring, summer, winter. You going back to school? Because right now, almost every kid that's kindergarten up to about high school, they're out. They just, last Friday, a couple days ago, they are done. Kids are out of school for the next, oh no, was it 1, 2, or 3 months? I can't remember how long summer break is, but a lot of families, they like to go hiking and fishing and biking. So you're going to go to the airport, maybe just get a lift. You don't want to drop off your SUV there for a week. You just would rather get a lift, and they're in Save Club. All the flights, hotels, even Disneyland, Universal Studios too, which I prefer. I think Disneyland is more kid oriented. Me being an older dude, almost 60, I like Universal Studios. I love movies and just going to that place. And it's expensive. There's no such thing as a deal flying and sleeping somewhere in a hotel and going to Universal Studios, or especially Disneyland. You know how expensive that is, especially just for you? Now, I wonder if you have wife, hubby, 2 or 3 kids, and you got to, I don't know, bring your brother or sister because they'll help you babysit or something. Man, it is very common to spend $3 to $5 to $7 to $10,000 for a week at, let's just say, Disneyland. And then you go cruising, maybe visit some relatives, or go see SeaWorld, Shamu. Drive up the coast of California, maybe sleep overnight in Carmel, which is awesome. And then you cruise to San Francisco, maybe see Alcatraz and all the big crazy roads. Then you got to drive back to Los Angeles. Maybe you want to stop in my hometown of Santa Barbara. All areas are inside the Save Club already here in America. And in the next couple months, especially in the next 6 months to a year, we're going to have millions of deals all over in every country, every city on planet Earth. We've already got thousands of people joined. And as an affiliate myself, it's $60. And if you want to promote how I am, either on a YouTube video or social media, maybe get a business card, hand them out now and then, just talk about it at a party. Keep it simple, because at the end of the day, if you just want to tell people to click a link and watch a video that's already produced, please do that. Because if you overtalk Save Club, and I don't mind doing it like this, because if I talk to, 10 to 15 minutes, I can put this on my YouTube channel, and the next year it might hit hundreds, if not thousands of people. But in person, just go ahead and invite them to your link, because you get a custom link when you join. When you're an affiliate, you have your own website, little capture page where you invite people, they put their information in, and wham, bam, the video takes over. So in my case, when you go to officialsaveclub.com, you're going to go to this exact page. You'll watch this video that's already produced, and you're going to fill out this information right below. Click that orange button, open up your Save Club email, and you can join or just get more information. Now, if you're an affiliate with little experience, I love it, because you don't have any bad habits from the 70s or the 2000s, Tupperware to Nu Skin to who knows what. But this is a savings club. This is where you save people money, not take it. Okay? Now, you got to invest $60 to be an affiliate. If you want to join for the year, great. You're a VIP and you get bigger commissions. But if you just want to join as a member, it's $19.97 a month. That's it. And then do the $60 to upgrade to be an affiliate. And then do what I do. It seems to work. Keep it simple. Keep it fun. Get the business card if you want. They're $22. I think I paid at Vistaprint. Come up with something simple. If you own Let's say my name's Cory, of course, so workwithcory.com, joincory.com, officialsaveclub.com. I like to buy little domain names and then forward to the capture page that I get with the mighty $60 that I just invested. And I got the $60 back fast because for each person I sign up in the beginning, I get $20. Well, the first day I just did a video like this, I signed up 3 people. So I got my 60 back like that. The next day, I think I signed up 2 or 3 more. But right now, I almost have 100 people signed up, and today is day number 36. Because I pre-launched. I just launched. I ate lunch, and then I pre-launched. Now, if you're watching me today, we're only 3 days in from the official launch. No one knows about this. You're in when the getting's good, and that is in the beginning. Whenever you have online business like this, to be locked in as an affiliate in the matrix the 3rd day, holy moly, most people within 30 days freak out. If you're watching this video anytime around June 3rd of 2025, as I sit here producing this, man, you're way ahead of the curve. You're hauling ass. You're like in a marathon that's 26 miles, and you're already halfway done. That's a big advantage when you learn about something in the beginning, especially when you're going to be an affiliate. Now, I always love to have a couple 20s. Remember, it's $20. Just get a $20 bill out and look at all those savings. You're going to save money, guys. And get 3 more 20s out, okay? 1, 2, 3. See that, though? That's $60. That is the best $60. And you're investing it. You're not spending it. You're investing it into your future. You hear me? I feel like I'm a recruiter. I want you to make some money and kick some butt. And you know why? Because if you make money, guess who does too? Me. And I'm pretty good at this business. So I'm going to tell you everything I do. It's all pretty cheap. I don't do expensive stuff. I like to buy expensive stuff. So I really need to kind of hustle and bustle a little bit. But I like to help you out, especially when I can make more money. And I want you to do the same for people that sign up with you. And I'll help you as well, because I can make money 5, 6 levels deep, meaning if you sign up someone and they sign up someone and they sign someone up and down, 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 I'm going to help all you guys. Because, yeah, if that 4th level, your 3rd level, boy, if they sign up in this group and I can make money too, wow. Because it really starts multiplying. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2. You guys know, you just go on a calculator on your phone and keep multiplying just the power of 2, and you can see how many people you can get in a nice group. But the only way you can do it is to be an affiliate. You have to spend that $60, and you have it. I know you do. Go ahead and spend it, and let's invest it, and let's get it back real quick. I'm going to send you an email when you sign up for Save Club. Not only do I want you to save money, that's pretty cool, but to make money too. Save and make. Wow. That's very rare, because usually I'm spending money and then spending money. I never think I'm saving money because I'm always spending money. And I got to do food and drinks, and oh my God, I got to pay for power and electricity and cell phone usage. And guess what? Save Club is going to wipe out some of that extra bloated amounts that you have to spend, because you're going to start saving on so many things that you're buying or need to buy or have to buy every single month. And if you're going to vacation and go to the Disneylands or fly somewhere or stay somewhere, awesome. Most people, they only do that once in a while. But I can't wait for gasoline and diesel. I was listening to our founder 2 days ago. And he's like, oh yeah, just be patient. We're only 3 days out from June 1st. Today's June 3rd. But he's like, give me 3 months to 6 months, and by a year, boom, when we go happy birthday, and we spank ourselves one time because we're 1 year old, we're going to have millions of deals worldwide. And yes, that means you, Asia, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. Australia is just hanging out there. It's wintertime there now, summer here. I always remember when it's my summer, it's their winter, and vice versa. But Asia, don't worry, we're coming. We're going to really explode over there too, since there's a few billion people that especially like to save money. We take cryptocurrency. If you're here in America, you can just, configure to your bank. We get paid every Friday. And I've made about $4,000 a week. In 36 days, my income's about $4,000. And I've saved over 900. And I almost have 100 people signed up. And if I just keep things simple, kind of fun, it seems to work. So if you join my team, I just want you to join our 2 private invite-only Facebook group pages. And I want you to meet and just, you don't have to type anybody, hello to anybody, but if you do, you're going to find a lot of people that are in the same no experience, maybe a little bit. Maybe you made some money 10 years ago trying something. But I think right now this is going to be the best opportunity where you're going to actually freak out and go, man, I am earning money because I'm just telling people to save money. It really works. I'm excited for this. I think you will be too. So, okay, guys, I'll wrap it up. Once I get to the 10-minute mark, I always think that's enough. You guys have heard me yak. Okay, here you go. Official Save Club. Now make sure you spell official right. Okay, so officialsaveclub.com. There's my email address. And when you go to this page, go ahead and just fill this out. Click that orange button, and you can join or just get more information. And yeah, Cory at CoryDraper.com. Email me. If I can help you, I will. And if you see me on Facebook, you can inbox me there as well. I'm really good at answering back on a keyboard. And I usually have a video made for any of your questions. So I just go, hey, what's going on? Boom, click this link, and my work is done. Okay, guys, thanks for the last 11 minutes and 15 seconds of your life. And we'll talk to you later. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. See you soon.